Today I'll be going for laundry. Yeah, so I want to show you how I do my laundry. So all the steps, because the backpack you see, I'm going to the laundry to pick some clothes. Yeah, I have some clothes there. I have to pick some. These ones are dirty. The one I'm having in the backpacks, they are not clean, so I have to take them. And yeah, I have to pick the clean ones, then I leave these ones. This is a machine we use, but this is not the one I'm doing. Yeah, this one for small, like you want to clean your stockings, underwears, blah blah blah. Yeah, we use this one. You drop just a coin. Hey, what deal? Yeah. You just drop in here coin, boom, soap, boom. Yeah. That one for on yeah. But we don't use that one for many clothes, just for on the small ones. So if you have more big, then you have to take to the. If you want, you can use that one. Like if you want to use, if you have a lot, you don't want to take this side, because if you take to the real laundry, you have to wait for 2 days. Yeah, just to clean all, then you go pick up. And the problem, they don't even work weekends, so that's another big problem. That's why these guys, they just wash from the machine. Yeah, they just put on the hang lines or so. Okay, man, I don't really just have that time to do all that stuff. Yeah, I'm always a busy guy.
Cap.
Now with the album out, are you paying?
It's really hot, bro. So I'm just running. I need to just reach and come back. It's low. It's 8 a.m. but it's like 4 p.m. So the streets are dry. Everyone is busy at work, and yeah, whoever you are seeing around, though they work night shifts. So whoever you see around moving, maybe either is going to work or is working night shift, is just chilling. Yeah. Oof. So, still going to the laundry. It's not that far. Maybe I'm 10 to 30 seconds. If you are new on this channel, please, bro, just subscribe. I will try my best to stay consistent. And yeah, I won't let you down, guys. I will have to stay on the track. Here we are. Here we are. That's the laundry. Yeah, so I have to go give up the number. They give me, then I change. We go. 639. So we have one away. Thank you, bro. Okay. Now, I got my stuff. Yeah, I have to leave this bag because 639 is my number. So I have to come here. Just say that number. Okay. I have to just give that number. They give me my stuff. Then yeah. Now I have to change the ones in the backpack. They are very dirty, bro. Yeah, then these ones are the one clean. So I have to just remove this one, put in here, then I put back. Then I need to come after 2 days when they are ready. So simple as that. clean ones. Of course, they gave me a receipt. 2 shirts, 2 trousers, total 5. I don't think about 5. All right, now we have to drop. To drop the dirty ones. How do we drop it? Watch this. Okay. How to do this? Scan. Open. Boom. That is it. Now we are done. Yeah. Now laundry process starts. Oh my god, bro. I forgot my card. I just wanted to withdraw some money at the ATM. Yeah, I don't know how I got out of my head, bro. Alright. That was it. I don't know if I should end from here. See you in the next video, guys. Peace out.